Can you trust your material partner when things go wrong? This isn't just a question, it's a critical factor that can make or break your aircraft maintenance operation. In an industry where precision and reliability are everything, transparency isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Today, we'll explore why transparency sets the best material partners apart from the rest. Let's dive into 4 key areas where transparency truly makes a difference. First up, clear communication channels. Effective communication is the foundation of any transparent partnership. Without it, misunderstandings and delays can quickly derail operations. The best material partners establish clear channels for communication from the very beginning. This includes having a dedicated points of contact, regular check-in, and leveraging technology to keep everything documented and streamlined. Next, honest reporting. When issues arise, honesty is the best policy. I don't care how many times we say this, most people don't do it. Great aircraft material partners are upfront about problems, whether they're delays, defects, or shortages. This commitment to integrity allows for quicker problem solving and minimizes the impact on your operation. Transparency and reporting includes immediate notifications and providing detailed reports outlining the problems and the potential solutions. That's the key. Just reporting problems isn't good enough, but it's pairing those problems with effective solutions. This approach fosters trust and proactive management. Third, regular updates. Transparency thrives on regular updates. Material partners who keep you informed with consistent progress help build a relationship of trust and reliability. These updates ensure you're always aware of the status of your orders and any changes that may affect your operations. Regular updates build trust and allow for better planning and adjustments. When you know what's going on, you can make better decisions. Crazy, nothing revolutionary there, but it matters. And then finally, client feedback integration. Incorporating customer feedback into processes is a hallmark of a transparent partner. When material partners actively seek and implement feedback, it shows that they value your input and are committed to continuous improvement for you and your operation. One illustrative case involves Skylink and a client who experienced repeated delays with a particular component. After receiving detailed feedback from our customers, the team reevaluated its supply chain and logistics processes. We improved our material portal and we significantly reduced the delivery times and improved customer satisfaction from the improvements that we made based on their feedback. Transparency is the distinguishing factor that sets the best material partners apart. Clear communication, honest reporting, regular updates, and integrating customer feedback are all critical components of a transparent partner. These practices not only solve problems more efficiently, but also build a strong foundation of trust and reliability. At Skylink, we pride ourselves on our transparent processes and commitment to our customers. Partner with us to experience the difference that true transparency can make in your operations. We'd be more than happy to speak with you and help you overcome your challenges with a transparency first approach. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.